Hi, this is David with Trend Trader Pro. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart using the Trend Trader Pro method and the Tenoris Trend Indicator. So this is a little tricky. We've had this run down here and it's channeling out through the weekend, and the question is, where do we get in? So what I'd like to see is a pullback and get in on a pullback, and hopefully it's not a reversal. And then we'll take it from there. So let's see what happens. Or if it powers down past this previous wick low, you could get in. But we want to see it. If it's not going straight back down, we want to wait maybe for a good pullback here. Let's see if it's going to pull back anymore. And then set a tight stop. Okay, so I'm going to go in there. I'm going to set a tight stop up behind here. See what happens. Move my stop up. Okay, now we don't get out there because it's still within this resistance range. So statistically we should come back down. Let's see if we do. See how much we're up. I'm going to put this behind here. I often recommend, if you're up more than 5%, that you often take it out. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to take that out. That's up almost 10%. Even if it comes down more, that's a tremendous gain. Most runs go between 5 and 10%. So let's see if this is going to turn around on us or not. We're only on the 6th and we've already done almost 10%. So we've got let's put in a buy here to go along. Let's see if we're going to put a stop right here. Okay, so we had a little loss. That's all right. So we're channeling now. We want to see this break out of this channel definitively, one way or the other, before we get back in here. So it's got in. This is well above here. I went back in. We're back up here. Set our stop loss. We're channeling along here. Okay, again, they're almost up 10%. Hopefully we didn't lose that. I'm going to take that out. I don't like what that's looking like. Okay, so that's no, that didn't hold. Let's see. I may have gone out a little early. I'm going to go back in on a buy. We've got another buy signal here. Set a stop loss behind this box. So we really want the stop loss behind this. Okay, so that's another big profit. Let's see what happens here. We're about halfway through the month. It's Friday, so the next couple of days are going to be flat. You can take your trade out there on Friday. I think we'll do that, and then we'll get back in here on Monday. So far, what do we got here? Our overview, we're already up $10,000. Regular leverage, that's pretty incredible. Let's see where we get a good entry here. Coming out of this after the weekend. Okay, so that's pushing down real hard, so we're going to go down. Let's see what happens. I'll put a stop loss behind here. I'm going to move that up. Okay, so that just reversed again. Whoa, that's, if we were trading in real time, we would have been able to catch that. We couldn't, so I'm going to go in here and see if that goes back up. Set a tight stop loss in here. Really don't want to see that come down much. We got hit. Okay, so we're back in business here. I put a stop loss way up here. Let's tighten this up a little bit. See how much of a run we get here. Okay, so we're on Friday here. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. And then we need to see this go through the weekend. Let's speed it up a little bit. Till we get to need to get it over about here. Okay, that's real unusual activity on a weekend. Let's see what happens here. So we've got that uptrend. Let's see if it's going to break up or not. I want to see it get out of this area one way or the other before I commit. Okay, so let's go long. Set a tight stop in here. Tighten that stop up behind there. Okay, so let's see. Now we're getting a lot of channeling in here. You can come in here, but we don't know if it's going to go past the bottom here. So I want to see this break below here before I get back in. Or I want to see it break above here. So we can... Okay, so we're long again. We're almost at the end of the month here. Probably going to stop out here. Yeah, we're already in Saturday, so I'm going to close that. So let's see how we did for, this was the month of September. And okay, so we did 12,257 in profit, which is pretty spectacular. And let's see what percentage that would be. Okay, 19%. That's extraordinary. So anyway, if you want to learn the method and use the indicator, let me know. I do private coaching, so you know all the rules. And as you can see, this is a great system. It's done good things for me, and I hope I can help you out.